We have division of algebraic fractions. We know that when we have division of algebraic fractions, we have to use the same rule like for division of fractions. It means we have to copy first algebraic fraction. So we have s squared minus s minus 12 over s squared plus 2s plus 1. And we have to change division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction, algebraic fraction. It means numerator will go to the denominator, so we will have s squared minus 9s plus 20 over s squared minus 4s minus 5. Next, we have to do multiplication of algebraic fractions. It means we have to multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So now I have to put these expressions in parentheses because we have subtraction or additions. So we have s squared minus s minus 12 times s square minus 4s minus 5 times, I have to put in parentheses because this whole expression I have to multiply by this whole expression. So s squared plus 2s plus 1 times s squared minus 9s plus 20. So this is equal. Next, to reduce this algebraic fraction, we need to have multiplication, but we need also to have the same expression in parentheses. At that moment we don't have. So we will try to factorize. We have general quadratic trinomial. In the first parenthesis, the coefficient before s is 1. It means that we will have to try to find two numbers. When I multiply these two numbers, I need to have negative 12, and when I add these two numbers, I have to have negative 1. Here is invisible 1. So at the beginning, I need to have s because we have s squared. So s times s give me s squared. And it will be negative 4 and positive 3, because negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, and negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. So the same we will try to do with the second trinomial. We have s squared, so at the beginning I will put s, and now we have to have two numbers which I multiply, and I will have negative 5. When I add them, I need to have negative 4. So it will be negative 5 and 1. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5, and negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. The same we have to try to do with the denominator. We have s squared plus 2s plus 1. If someone see, we have here square of sum. If not, you have to do the same like we do before. So at the beginning we will put s because we have s squared. So s times s give me s squared. And now I have to find two numbers which I add, which I multiply, and I will have 1. And when I add them, I will have 2. So there will be 1 and 1, because 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. And the same we will try to do with the last trinomial. At the beginning we need to have s because s times s give me s squared, and now we need to have two numbers which I multiply, and I will have positive 20, and when I add them I will have negative 9. So of course will be negative 4 and negative 5. Negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20, and when I add these two numbers I will have negative 9. Now we can check if we have the same expression in parentheses. Because we have multiplication, we can reduce. So we have s minus 4 and s minus 4, so we can cancel out this expression, and s plus 3 we don't have in the denominator, s minus 5 and s minus 5 we have, and s plus 1 and s plus 1. So now we see that this is equal. In numerator we have only s plus 3 and in the denominator we have s plus 1. This is my solution.